How to cook full tandoori chicken in microwave oven. For this, you need a microwave with convection and grill mode option. Take 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, garam masala powder, two tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, four tablespoons of curds, salt as per taste, 1 tablespoon of dry mango powder, 1 tablespoon of tandoori powder, take sharp knife and make deep cuts throughout the chicken. Maintain equal distancing while making the slits. Mix all the ingredients, masalas including ginger garlic paste, add on curds and mix it smoothly. Take the prepared masala paste and rub entire chicken outside as well as inside. Entire masala in and out, keep it aside for 3 to 4 hours of marination. After 3 to 4 hours of marination, thoroughly apply edible oil throughout the chicken, outside as well as inside. application of oil, take the chicken and place it on the low stand provided along with microwave oven. Meanwhile, get ready your microwave oven prepared for cooking. Choose the option Tandoor Grill at 200 degrees centigrade for 5 minutes to preheat the microwave. Take a wet thread and tie both the legs of chicken, as it will rotate inside the microwave and it should not hinder the movement of tray. Now my microwave oven has completed preheating process and ready to cook. Actually, in my oven I have 101 auto menu mode, so I am making use of that auto menu option and selecting 64 number program. This is a automatically set program which has to complete tandoori chicken cooking process in my microwave. Generally, all the microwave ovens with convection mode grill and microwave used to have independent manual mode setting facility. So under that you have to select convection mode option and cook your chicken for around 20 minutes. After 18 to 22 minutes of cooking, you have to take out your chicken, brush the oil throughout the chicken, flip the sides and again put inside the microwave under same mode for 20 more minutes. Now the process of tandoori chicken cooking in microwave oven is completed. After microwave gets stopped, take out the chicken from the microwave and serve it hot along with mint chutney.